Hello everyone, in this video we will be replacing this black PLA frame with PETG frame, and you can see the amount of damage it has taken up from my practice session. This section is the weakest and it breaks the most, followed by the regions around the propeller guard. PLA by nature is very brittle and it breaks easily. Unlike that, PETG is quite flexible and it can sustain shocks to a great extent. The good thing about PLA is it's quite rigid, so it's actually good for the frame which holds the motors and the flight controller. It creates higher natural frequencies, which is good for the flight software. Now we disassemble the black damaged frame. We need 4 screws to open it up, and then there are screws on the other side, and this is the frame which is totally damaged. So the green frame, which is the PETG frame, can be installed in the same way. It is the same design. So I just took it out from the printer, clearing the holes, and then the same 4 screws, that is a total of 8 screws actually, are needed to mount the PETG frame. Meanwhile, we can discuss few good things about the PETG frame. So this is the first time I'm using a PETG filament. Do check out the links in the description, which shows how I have printed this frame using PETG. It was remarkably easy to print PETG using the A1 mini printer. And then at the end of this video, I have added some more clips on how this assembled frame perform under drops, and it did pretty good. We are almost done with the assembly, so let's check the weight. So you can see it's 138 grams without the battery. The battery I'm using is a 850 milliampere hour battery, a 2S battery. That makes it 188 grams, just below 200 grams. And now the moment of truth. So these are some drops I've recorded. You can see how the green PETG frame deflects under the drop. Another drop at the height of 50 centimeters. You can follow the white arrows and see how the frame deflects, and it deflects significantly. More drops at different angle of impact. This is slightly oblique to the ground, and then you can see the deflection of the ducted region of the green frame. Another drop which is perpendicular to the ground. It's a worst case, and you can see how the circular section deflected under the impact. Some more drops. This is to capture the deformation of the circular ducted region, and this is the final drop. So you can see there are no cracks, like I mentioned, these weak regions, no cracks after multiple drops, and also no damages on the circular section of the green frame. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.